Hey there, it is Tuesday night and I'm trying to get stuff ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to put some of this, that Rouse pasta sauce stuff I have made up. It was 1 cup Rouse to 1/2 cup water. So basically just diluted it so it'll go further. I'm adding some of that. Add some Lowry's adobo. We know I have plenty more in my pantry, so we're good there. I don't have to worry about running low because you know your girl's a hoarder. Add some garlic salt. That one's garlic salt, and I'm going to add some Greek seasoning. And I'm going to add some of my Slap Your Mama. And then I'm going to do a pinch of Parmesan cheese. All right, a pinch and a half. So, some, and some of my everything bagel seasoning. I want lots of flavor tomorrow. So I'll take that to work with me. My 3 chicken sausages. And I'll go ahead and add some strawberry kiwi flavor enhancer. That's the one I'm using. And I'll put a couple squirts in there. And then I'll stir it up tomorrow when I get there. Get my main meat, my lunch, and my breakfast. Tomorrow's gym day. Hang on, where'd I put it? So I'm going to take these chili lime protein chips with me to work tomorrow. I'll eat those around 3-ish. Spoon for lunch. Fork and spoon for breakfast. That's how I got my lunch packed, or my breakfast and lunch packed. And I'll grab my coffee in the morning before I go, or when I wake up. So that's that. Here we are. It is Wednesday morning, and I'm having my yogurt and cottage cheese and my 3 chicken sausages. That's what I'm wearing today. Got this shirt at the Goodwill. I like that it's somewhere in there it is, the built-in black thing, and then I like the little crisscross part of it. It's cute. Then I got my white jeans on there. I have to buy, for as you go down, invest in these. These are buckleless belts, and it's elastic. And so instead of, I was using this little push pin thing that would tighten your pants right here, but then you had this like pucker in your pants. But with this belt, you don't. The hook said your first loop, and you take it all the way around to your other loop, and you can tighten or loosen it to where you want it. And it will help hold your pants up, and you don't have a specific pucker anywhere. So it's just kind of puckers all around. So that way, as you're losing weight, you don't have to buy new pants as early, and then when you get them, they're too tight, but then, you know, you're too loose in the size up. So anyway, buckleless belt. Look into getting one of those because I like it a lot. Okay, bye. Here is my lunch today. This is what I made up early in my beginning of the video. It is the ground beef and Rouse and some that cheese. So this is what my lunch is going to be today. And it is 3:10, and I am eating my protein chips, my chili lime. So I'm going to be eating those since I'm going to the gym later. Supper tonight. These are the pork bars that I made in my air fryer this weekend. I think it might have been Monday. I took a taste and it's not very seasoned. So I'm going to put some of this adobo on it. No, I'm going to put some of this Dano's on it. So I'm going to put that on there. Gotta have a little Slap Your Mama. And then then I got some vegetables in the microwave. It's got a minute. I'll pause. Okay. And I'm gonna, they're like an Asian blend veggies. I don't know why, but I kind of want this on it. Don't ask. It's the G. Hughes honey barbecue sauce. I'm gonna do, well, we'll see. I don't know why I want barbecue sauce on it, but I just do. I'm thinking I want to do 15 grams, which is a half serving. Okay. So it's going to be 5 calories and 1 carb and 0 of everything else. But yeah, so I don't know, it's just the flavor I'm feeling right now. Put a little Greek seasoning on it. Might taste like hockey dew. But it's just what I'm a feeling. So what I'm going to try to do is plug all this into chronometer so you can kind of keep track of how much. Oh! Holy. Woo! That was a little hot. This is the pork. Like I said, the pork bars that I made. Let's stab one now. Yeah, I like them. If you want it, you can put some of this on it. I'm not wanting that. I just want them plain. I just want a little hit of that on my veggies. So that is going to be my supper tonight. And I'll plug this into chronometer and I'll let you see. You can see here is 1574 calories, 141 protein, 22.3 carbs, and 97 fat.